Hey y'all, welcome back to Jaxx Drinkwater's Southern Cooking and Barbecue. Today, we're gonna be putting a smoky twist on a classic condiment. I'm gonna be making homemade smoked ketchup. Elevate your French fries, elevate your hamburgers, elevate your barbecue game, hell, elevate yourself by making this homemade smoked ketchup. Let's do this. All right, here's what y'all gonna need. 1 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes, some garlic, yellow onion, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some tomato paste, some apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, ground cloves, cayenne pepper, brown sugar, and salt and pepper. I got some mesquite here. Now, mesquite is a very potent smoking wood. That's why we're gonna be using it. We're only gonna be smoking this for about an hour. So we got a half a bag of charcoal that we're lighting up now. We're gonna put that in there, and then we're gonna put this mesquite wood on top of there, which will give us our smoke. And we're gonna try to bring your smoker up to about 225 degrees. If you're using a pellet smoker and you have that like super smoke setting, that's what you're gonna need to set it to. While your grill's heating up, you're gonna spread your canned tomatoes out on this shallow baking dish that I got here, and then we're gonna place them directly on the grill grate. We're gonna smoke the tomatoes for 1 hour to infuse them with all that wonderful smoky aroma. So while your tomatoes are out there smoking up, getting some of that lovely smoke, you're gonna heat you up a tablespoon of olive oil. You're gonna use about a medium heat here. You're gonna add the onion, and you're gonna cook them about 3 to 5 minutes until they're translucent. Then you're gonna add in your garlic and cook for an additional minute or so until it's nice and fragrant. Now stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Cook it for a couple of minutes until it gets nice and dark. This step will deepen the flavor and bring everything together. Time to add the rest of the goodies to this party. We got 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cloves. Now stir it all about. Now we're gonna transfer this concoction to our blender. We're gonna add our smoked tomatoes to the party, put the lid on it, give it a blend. Now let's add everything back to our pot, and we're gonna bring this back up to a simmer for about at least 20 minutes, and we're gonna give it a little bit of salt. What I like to see is it pretty thick until it coats the back of the spoon without running off. You know, something like you could use to dip a fry and it kind of stays on the fry. That's what you want. All right, let's see how we did. That's fantastic. It's smoky, it's rich, it's tangy, it's got a subtle sweetness to it. Imagine this on burgers, fries, baked beans, or even as a secret ingredients to your barbecue sauce. I mean, it's a flavor bomb, guys. The smoky depth takes ketchup to a whole nother level, in my opinion. Trust me, once you try this, you're not gonna wanna go back to store-bought. I guarantee it. Give it a try, guys. You won't regret it. Smoked ketchup. Do it.